Hey guys, so today I wanted to do a video showing you some things I picked up recently, talking about some of my fashion favorites, and also just discussing how to dress on a budget, how to find good pieces that look expensive and are nice quality. And I was thinking of maybe making this a series. My personal way of dressing is kind of for everyday life. I like really trendy things. I like to try out different styles. I also honestly like to kind of have a different outfit every day, but I definitely love to find those pieces that I can use in my wardrobe and kind of switch them around and make them work for different events and different occasions. And I personally do like dressing kind of in, I guess, less expensive clothing and then really putting more money towards like designer handbags, really nice shoes. Of course, for basics and things that you're gonna wear, you know, throughout your whole life, such as a leather jacket, good jeans, nice formal gowns, all that kind of stuff, I do like to splurge. But for just kind of everyday type of stuff and especially trendy items, I really love Forever 21 and I have a lot of luck there. All the time I'm showing people what I buy and people are like, that's from Forever 21, they just can't believe it. I think it really comes down to just knowing how to shop Forever 21, how to look for certain things, and also knowing how it fits, the different styles, and kind of navigating their online store, which is something I think I've become a pro at. I definitely shop there a lot, and I'm always finding great things that people don't guess are actually from Forever 21. So I thought I would go ahead and share with you a few of my favorites I picked up recently and also just give you guys some helpful tips as well. So first of all, this little kimono I did show on Instagram. Now I had so many questions about this. I wore this with a little crop top and then some cut-off denim shorts. Now it's very long and it has embroidery all the way down and the bottom hemline is just beautiful and like scalloped and laced. And then I love these sleeves. They're super dramatic and pretty. And this is gorgeous. I got this in a size small, and when I had this on in my picture, so many people were asking about it, and honestly, I think this looks like something that you could buy at Free People or even Revolve, and you would pay hundreds of dollars for it, so I think that is a great Forever 21 find. I absolutely love it, and I've been wearing it a lot. I'm actually probably going to wear it on my vacation, maybe with like a little nude slip dress under it as a full-length dress with like some heels, because I think it's just stunning. So that's the first thing I picked up recently. The next thing I picked up is this little like periwinkle dress. Now it has these self ties so you can actually adjust the length of the straps, and then it has a little ruffle on the top and then just a pretty simple silhouette. It kind of nips in at the waist, has a bit of darting down into the skirt. This really reminds me of like For Love and Lemons. It's very similar in that style, just with little ties and everything, and I think this is adorable. I definitely think that for Forever 21 something really helpful is to always find like tops and tank tops and then of course dresses that have self ties or at least adjustable straps. I think a lot of people find out that things aren't as flattering when they can't adjust the straps to themselves, and when girls ask me about how to make your boobs look good, how to make everything look nice and situated, I would definitely say that if you can tighten things yourself and make sure it fits you, that's going to be your best bet, because if something has straps that are too loose or baggy, of course it's not going to be flattering on anyone. So that's a little tip, and I did get that dress in a size medium. Typically in Forever 21, I think their dresses actually run large, but there are some exceptions where I think this runs pretty true to size, if not a tiny bit small, just in the length department. If you are very tall, this is going to be quite short on you, and that's something that I do know with Forever 21 skirts and dresses. The length can sometimes be kind of short, but again, it just all kind of comes down to navigating the things. I think once you've bought a few items, you can kind of see then on the website what's going to fit differently and what's going to fit you in the right way. At least from my personal experience, that's kind of how I have learned, and I pretty much am always right nowadays when I shop online. But in the early days, trust me, I got a lot of things that just fit weird, didn't look good, and I've kind of learned quite a bit since then, and I always pick up things that I love. So this next cardigan is not going to be something everyone is going to like. It's very boho chic, and I don't know, again, it reminds me just very Free People, very like, I guess you would say like shopplanetblue.com, just very similar in those kind of styles of stores. And I love this. I definitely think something like this, if you didn't know it was from Forever 21, you could think it costs, you know, upwards of $100, which on those websites it would. So this, again, I got in a size small. It fits wonderful. This was a bit pricier. This was $39, but still it's nothing compared to like Shop Planet Blue or something like that that carries more of these like bohemian style cardigans. So it's this cardigan with this really cool print, and it does look a little loud, a little grandma-y here maybe, but hear me out. If you were to wear this with like a white tank top and a pair of really nice like ripped shorts, I'm gonna take my bracelet off so I don't like catch it. That is the only thing. You got to be kind of careful with crochet like this. I have gotten some things from them and then accidentally caught the crochet, and that's a little bit sad because it kind of ruins. So if you guys can just kind of imagine, of course, if I took this other thing off, Alright, so if you can just kind of imagine, and then this with like a pair of like denim shorts and a plain tank top, it's actually so cute, and it's like oversized and beachy, and I just think it's going to be a great staple for the summertime because it's thin, it's lightweight, you don't feel like you have a sweater on, but it just adds such cool texture and color to an outfit. I'm just really thrilled with that. Alright, the next piece I got is this one, and I am going to go ahead and try to insert photos of everything if I can online, just so you guys can kind of see how they fit. So this I got in a size small, and this is what it looks like. This really cool like calypso, like very like 70s inspired print. And then it has these slits on the side, so you have like this longer piece in the middle, so you show a little bit of leg down the sides, and this is just so cute on. It literally like hugs your body and makes you look so long and lean and like sexy and curvy. And again, I love the way that this has little inserts for the boobs and everything. You can totally like wear a bra with this. And I just think it's so flattering, and I love the style of this. Now this was something that I was not 100% sure about when I did order it online. It did have the ability to go really cheap when I got it, but honestly I think this with like some very like chunky, very 70s inspired heels, like platforms, and then your hair like back in a slick bun or something, or even a high ponytail, like on the beach, on vacation, this is beautiful. And honestly, if I saw someone wearing this with the right accessories, the right shoes, I would think this was like definitely a few $100s, maybe even $1,000 dress. Like it just looks really cool on, so I love it so much. Now this next dress I got is just the sweetest thing ever. So it has this little tiny like rose detailing print, these really pretty like balloon sleeves, a nice little tuck in at the waist, and this is just adorable. Has these little like covered buttons all down the front. Now I got this in a size medium, and I'm going to be exchanging this for a size small, just because this particular shape on my body works pretty well because I do have a smaller waist and like a bigger like butt hip area. So for me personally, like the waist is a little bit too big, but I did get it in a medium and it is gorgeous. I love it so much, and it fits really nicely on the boobies and everything. I pretty much absolutely love this, and it reminds me so much again for Love and Lemons, Reformation, Revolve. Like it just looks like it's an expensive dress, and it really wasn't. I also think that this could take you into fall. I have like this vision of wearing this with like over the knee like dark camel boots. Like that would just be so cute. But I think for summer and spring it's also just a gorgeous dress, and it looks very expensive. It feels really well made, so I'm so impressed with it. So this is the next dress I got. It's this adorable gingham print. Does have adjustable straps, which is a very big must with Forever 21 stuff. I also love the little tie bow here, and has a very straight bodice with a little bit of like ruffling, and it's almost in a very simple like high-low pattern. It's not like severe, but I do think it's there and it's cute. And this is just an adorable dress. Again, I feel like this looks so much more expensive, and it's actually a very nice material. It's pretty thick, so it feels substantial, and I cannot wait to wear this. I think it's going to be so cute, and I'm just super, super happy with that. And while this little halter top I don't think fits the mold of like looking expensive or anything, this is just a super cute top that looks so good on your boobs. So for all my girls that comment on my Insta photos wanting to know, this is one of those tops that will do that for you. It just looks really good on. Of course it probably is because it is a halter style, and just the way this is cut, I can wear this without a bra, and it just like cups your boobs and like makes them look so nice. So I love it. I love the little bottom is like this like ruched detailing. It really comes in at the waist, and it makes you look like very hourglass, and it's just really, really flattering. So I got this in a size small. I love these colors. I think this would be so cute with like a pair of like flared jeans or even like some denim cutoffs. This next blouse I got is really pretty. Now this is something that's a bit nicer looking. I love kind of this nude camel color. I think this print is really pretty. I think a lot of times when you're trying to shop and look expensive, kind of shopping at these lower end stores, something that you got to watch out for is just the print. A lot of floral print can go a little bit tacky and cheap pretty easily. Now I think this is really pretty because it is muted, and it's just a nice size. It's not too small, but it's also not huge and crazy. It's just very pretty, and you could wear this again with a pair of really cool platform like shoes and like a nice pair of jeans, and just look really put together, really sweet and feminine. And also I just love the tie bow detailing and just like the fluttery sleeves, and I just think it's a great top. And again, it looks expensive. It definitely looks nice. Now I did want to share this little bustier top. Now this was slightly a fail, but also slightly not. I did think it was going to be a little bit more like coverage in the boob area, but it definitely isn't. But when I tried it on, it's so attractive. It just looks so good on. I'm going to try to figure out a way to wear this without being like so scandalous. But on the model, it looked more of like a crop top, honestly. It didn't really look so much of a bra, but it definitely kind of is a bra. But I just think this looks really nice and it's super well made. I love all the boning in here and all the detailing. It just looks really, really pretty. And I had it on with a pair of like denim shorts and then like an oversized like cardigan over it, kind of covering it, and it was really cute and sexy, but I haven't actually worn it out yet, so I'm definitely going to be thinking about it. I might even put like another like white, almost like a little like bra top under it to kind of give it a little bit more coverage in the boob area, but I think it's just so pretty. And if you're looking for little like sweet intimates from Forever 21, I would recommend this a lot because it's really nice. Again, I got that in a size medium as well. So now on to a few other items. I do have a few pairs of like bottoms and stuff. So I got this pair of white jeans. Now, white denim is not something I'm crazy about, but I did want to go ahead and get a pair just for the summertime. But again, since I'm not like 100% sure if I love it, I didn't want to buy a pair that was really expensive, so I thought Forever 21 was a great way to go. And these are incredible. This is like a really, really soft, like stretchy pair of jeans. They have pockets in the back, real pockets, and in the front as well. And I think they're really like well made looking. When they're on, they're not like super see-through or anything. They do have slits in the knees, which I think is just kind of cute, just something kind of added. And I got these in a size 26 and they fit amazingly. I haven't worn them out yet, so I'm not sure if they're going to stretch out too much, but they fit perfect. I've also been seeing that sets are such a trendy thing. Again, I've seen so many on Revolve that are adorable, but hundreds of dollars. And this one I think literally rivals a ton that I've been seeing lately. So it's just adorable, like kind of almost like golden colored top with like these fluttery sleeves. And again, I do have a picture of this on Instagram you guys can see. And then this is the skirt. It's so cute. It has like this asymmetrical like ruffle hem. And this just is really, really nice. It's not see-through or anything. It has a really nice hidden zipper down the back and it just looks so good on. It's so cute. I wore this out to brunch when I got to debut my Birkin, and I just thought it was a really adorable outfit. And again, I spent more on the bag, less on the clothes, and I thought it looked like a really nice outfit. I also got this belt, which I think is so cute, and again, I think this just looks expensive. So it's just this brown leather belt, and then it has this big gold ring here where you hook it in, and I really love, again, to play at my waist just for my particular body type. I think that's like most flattering on me, so on any dresses I get that don't have a really good like waist seam and stuff and really just like a nice bit of flattering, I like to just go ahead and add on a belt like this, a nice thick one to kind of pull it in there. And this just like really reminds me of Chloe with like this big like O-ring kind of hook. I just think it's really pretty, so big fan of that. And that's it for everything that I picked up from Forever 21. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope that you found my tips a little bit helpful. And definitely let me know if you guys have a lot of luck shopping at Forever 21 or if it's harder for you. I can make some more of these videos sharing like my favorite pieces that I picked up lately because I do shop on there a lot. Just a tip, they pretty much have new items on the website like every single day. So if you're trying to not shop, probably don't check it every day. But if you are looking for some fun pieces for the summertime without breaking your bank, definitely check them out because I feel like the quality has come a long way. I think a lot of the styles they're putting out look really nice and they're really cute, and at least when I wear them on Instagram, a lot of you ask about them and I don't think you would guess that they're from Forever 21. So I've been pleasantly surprised. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I've missed making fashion videos. Maybe I'll do some more soon, and I'll see you all later. Bye!